Modern semiconductor packaging demands that encapsulants penetrate impossibly dense architectures and navigate claustrophobic microscopic clearances. These compounds are forced to flood narrow gaps flawlessly, all while absorbing punishing thermal and electrical loads. They can no longer survive as passive protective shells. They must perform as active structural components under intense operational stress. On the surface, this works perfectly, locking the microchip rigid against blistering operational heat.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
But that heavy silica loading instantly spikes the melt viscosity, transforming a smooth flowing liquid into an immovable sludge that completely chokes the mold cavity. Desperate for a different lever, formulators are forced to abandon the filler and manipulate the structural backbone of the resin itself. Other strategies involve pushing the resin's cross-link density to survive intense operational heat. The backlash is immediate. The rigid network triggers violent cure shrinkage, twisting the package and unleashing destructive residual stress on the fragile internal interfaces. A viable compound cannot simply be forced into existence by making it much harder, pushing it much hotter, or more highly filled. Every isolated chemical tweak ripples uncontrollably through the entire manufacturing lifecycle. The compound must perform continuously as it transitions from initial flow to sudden gelation, through curing, and into final cooling. Failing to account for even one of these phases leads to catastrophic package failure through delamination or internal cracking. Breaking this loop requires abandoning isolated targets and engineering the encapsulant for the complete package performance window. Navigating these competing extremes requires simultaneous mastery of advanced resin architecture and highly engineered multimodal particle packing. It demands a formulation framework that harmonizes these conflicting physical forces without a single compromise. Enter the Advanced Expert Training, Epoxy Molding Compounds for Semiconductor Packaging, Formulation and Troubleshooting, exclusively from OnlyTRAININGS. Discover how to diagnose root cause delamination, engineer high-loading filler architectures without destroying mold flow, and balance the complete cure lifecycle. Register now for sense of access to the expert ecosystem, stop fighting the chemistry, and master the exact levers of semiconductor encapsulation. Control the filler, control the cure, control the package.